Hi everyone, this is Nikki from Happily Lost channel. We're going to make some teacup candles, or container candles today. So please join me on this little tutorial. If you're not sure what a double boiler is, basically it is one pot sitting inside another pot, with the larger one containing water. So what I have here is a pot with a trivet and water in it, with a smaller pot sitting in the water. The smaller pot has the wax in it. The trivet is to keep the smaller pot off the bottom of the large one. The trivet is homemade, one which is a food cooling rack, which has been cut down and bent to fit. As can be seen, I do my candle making in my kitchen. If you don't want wax to get on your benches, put some paper down. The wax I have used here is paraffin wax from two old candles. One of them was red, and I had a small amount from a white one. To help with the melt of the wax, I just cut up the candles into smaller bits. If you have a thermometer, the idea is for the first pour to have your melted wax up to a temperature of 85 degrees centigrade to 95 degrees centigrade. When you do follow up pours, you need to have the pour temperature to be 10% hotter than before to minimize visible join lines. Seeing we do not have a see-through container, we do not need to worry about that so much. As we wait for the wax to melt, we shall prepare the teacups. The wicks I will be using here are RCS 9.0 15 centimeter wicks. They have a metal tab at the bottom which will put out the flame when it gets near the bottom of the container. Well, I have not done this here. It is a good idea to stick the wick to the bottom of the container to prevent it from moving around when you pour the wax. A bit of glue or a sticky dot will do the job. I have seen similar methods out there, but this is how I hold the top of the wick in the center of the candle. This is just two bamboo sticks, two bamboo skewers actually, with thin wire twisted around both ends to hold them together, and the wick just sits inside in between the two sticks. Let's fast forward the melting process. It will take about half an hour for it to fully melt. If you do not have a thermometer to check the pour temperature, the easiest way to know if the wax is ready is if it leaves a coating on the sides of the pouring container. When you're ready to pour, you want to do it at a fast and steady pace. As I mentioned before about double pouring, the reason you do this is that as the wax cools, a sinkhole will form in the middle of the candle. This is where you will do a double pour to top it up. Sometimes it will require a third pour also. That is it. Once the candle has cooled, trim the wick to about 1/2 centimetre to 1¼ centimetres. There you have it, a candle ready to use. If you like this content and would like to see more on motorcycles, art and sex related content, don't forget to sign up to the channel. But for now, I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell to be notified of any updates.